Okay, so in the box it says supposed to have like these brushes that we have, but we don't have all the brushes. Some of them are where. Yeah, ¿dónde está? Oh. Okay, so like this isn't the one that we wanted. Because last time when we bought the same last time when we bought the same vacuum cleaner, it didn't have this. So yeah, this is a problem. So we were wondering if we could get like the brush that's in the box, because it's nowhere in the box. Yeah, it's not here. So
starting to overheat. Look, I change everything.
okay.